Hi everyone, this is Robin from Faith and Flower, and today's video is about preparing for overnight guests. A few days before we are expecting overnight company, I like to prepare the guest room and the guest bathroom so that it's all ready and everything is fresh and clean before our guests arrive. If I haven't washed the sheets recently, then I like to do that so that they're nice and fresh for our guests. Even though we reserve this bathroom for our guest and we don't use it very often, I like to make sure that everything's clean, so I'll go over everything and freshen it up. The toilet bowl cleaner that I use is from Melaleuca, and then I use the 7th generation disinfecting wipes to wipe everything down. And I'll list all the products that I'm using today in the description box below in case you're interested. To clean the mirror and the vanity, I use my microfiber cloths from Norwex. They do a great job of trapping the dirt and any bacteria, and I don't need to use any bathroom products that may have chemicals that are harmful for some of my surfaces or just unhealthy to breathe. I also like to make sure that our bathroom is well stocked with things that our guests might need. So I have things like some little hotel soaps and shampoos, some body wash and room spray, extra towels, and of course toilet paper, so that they have everything that they need and they don't have to worry about asking for something. I also make sure that one of the vanity drawers has some items that they might need, such as a night light, which is really helpful if they need to get up and go to the bathroom during the night so they can see their way, plus some other soaps and shampoos, even little mending kits from hotels, and these packets that we get from our dentist have toothbrush, toothpaste, and even dental floss. Having a blow dryer on hand for your guests is also a nice touch. It saves them from having to pack a bulky item if they know they have one waiting for them at your home. I keep a few more things in the cabinet underneath the sink, one of which is plungers because no guest wants to have to ask for that. Now I'm just setting out the fresh towels and washcloths. If you don't have a separate guest bathroom, you could always fill a basket with the supplies that your guests might need and leave it in their room so that they can carry it to the hall bathroom or a bathroom that they might be sharing with your family. After I vacuumed and mopped the floor, I set out a fresh bath mat. I didn't show how I cleaned the shower because I did that after our previous guest left. I usually just take a shower myself in there and clean it as I'm showering. In the guest bedroom, I make sure that everything is well dusted. Some of the things that I'm not showing in the video are dusting the cobwebs, the baseboards, and the ceiling fan if they haven't been done in a while. And I'm using my dust mitts from Norwex for this. that's left to do now is vacuum. Now that the guest bedroom and bathroom is all clean, we are excited to have our guests come. And I just wanted to mention a couple other things that I like to do for our guests, and that is to have the closet stocked with hangers for their clothes, some extra pillows, and I even leave a robe in there in case they need that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love for you to join my channel, so please subscribe. Thanks for watching.